much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking long ago. I know that I lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole, and if this could last forever, any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other way.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're over here at Kauai Harbor. Might as well say it. It's a popular spot. Very, very popular spot. We got the kiddos over there. Got a whole bunch of people here. Beautiful day. Beautiful Jess over here. Hi, Jess. Yeah, so just kicking back, guys. It's a Friday here. It's Aloha Friday. You know what, guys? Oh, I didn't turn this off. I gotta turn this off. Yeah. Look at this, guys. I just bought another GoPro Hero 7, guys, and I hope this lasts. I took the 3-year warranty from Walmart. Is it warranty? Did it call warranty? Insurance, sorry.
Yes,
Insurance. And yeah, I hope it lasts. My other GoPro 7 didn't last too long. But I got some good underwater footage for you guys. And it's all good, guys. It's all good. There's some people fishing over there. By the pier area. Oh, a bunch of kids just jumping off the side there. And and a whole bunch of people behind us. And here I am, guys. What's up, guys? Just chilling. We're over here drinking. I drank a Heineken can already, so I'm one down Heineken. And Jess actually drank one of these. This is our second one now. We're gonna actually share it, right, Jess? We're gonna share it?
Right there.
Uh-oh, there it is.
Down.
Wow, watch out. Watch out, Jess. But yeah, just enjoying the beautiful view over here, guys. Beautiful view. Look at that. The sun is coming down in that direction right there. And looks like we have a paddleboarder way out there, Jess. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Way out there.
There's exercises over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's about 5:30 right now, Jess?
I really don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, it's about 5:30, guys, and it's still hot. It is extremely hot, isn't it, Jess?
It's 6:14.
Oh, 6:14, sorry.
Yeah, no, it's not 5:30.
6:14, sunset around here.
7 something.
It's around 7:20, 7:10, around there. So,
But oh, looks really good.
looks really good?
Yeah.
Just like Jess?
Sun is really good. Really
Yeah.
good. Really good.
Woo, the sun is beaming
Just
down.
get the suntan.
Yeah, Jess needs to tan out her legs,
And
man.
dark
Sheesh.
already or what?
Nope,
Oh my
Not
god.
yet.
I'm gonna go become dark.
I don't know,
Still
Jess.
not dark yet.
You're white.
Uh,
You're showing your, what you call? Your legs is like your 20% European blood there, Jess.
it's dark already.
A little bit. A little bit. It's getting there.
Time yet?
Long time yet, baby.
Oh, it's too hot already to become dark. Aui already, the hot sun.
Oh, it's okay, Jess. You got it.
Yeah, but it's still not.
Oh.